Right. Gordon, you were there.
Yeah. Congratulations to Kamara Wright. Last evening named Festival Jamaica Festival Queen 2019. The first time for St. Catherine since Dahlia.
What?
29 years ago.
Gee, you wickedy.
She said it.
You
She,
never.
no,
Yeah,
she
but you
said
never
it.
have to remind
She said it
anybody
on
this.
television last night in front of the audience.
You
She
have
says,
to
"I
remind
won
nobody.
this 29 years ago."
40
She said.
years almost.
So, I mean, when I
Mercy.
tell you that Delia is 52, nobody never believe me. Well, now you know. Next year is our 53rd
Lies.
birthday.
Lies.
But congrats to Kamara Wright. Maybe a bit of a surprise, didn't win a sectional prize.
Yeah.
But made it to the top 5. And her answer to her question was absolutely brilliant. And the question was, what are your views on the teaching of Creole in Jamaica's education system? Miss Kingston and St. Andrew won 2 sectional prizes, and some people thought maybe she would have had it. She came second. Miss St. James came third. And in-house, Miss St. Thomas, whew, she had some support. I mean, there were banners and everything. And I thought she made the top 5, and I thought maybe something would have happened for her. But congrats to Miss St. Catherine.
What was the answer to the question? I'm curious.
I think she came out and said, in effect, that it was essential that we learn with our language. But she was very good. There she is in the blue. And it's Kira Gowie, past queen.
Quite so.
Handing over.
Wow, we wish her all the best. I mean, opportunities like this are or can be life-changing for winners. You look at Crystal Tomlinson, you look at people like Dales, even Kira and what she's doing with her life. Jenny.
Yeah, remember Tanisha
good step in
McGee,
Tanisha, correct.
Yeah.
So it's a good opportunity for all these ladies to just step up and go forth and take on whatever goal they have.
Yep.
So we wish you all the best there, Miss St. Catherine.
Kamara Wright. And by the way, the second place, as we said, went to Annika Hudson. She's in the yellow, I think. Miss Kingston and St. Andrew. And Miss St. James, Chardonnay Parkins came third. So congrats, ladies. And to all the ladies who would have won the parish competitions and moved on to the nationals. And apparently you could enter again. Apparently you could enter twice. Yeah, I worked with Miss Manchester, who won in 2015, and she told me that she entered in 2012 when Crystal won. And then she came back and she won the second time.
I did not know you could enter twice.
What's the next one?
We should put up Jody next year for Festival Queen. You don't think so?
Yeah,
No, Jody? No? All right.
Social
Probably
media
wouldn't meet
queen.
the height limit anyway.
Social media queen.
All right. Speaking of social, Instagram is apologizing for apparently blocking Caribbean Carnival content. This popular social media platform says a, quote, mistake was made by hiding posts made by festival goers. These folks apparently posted pictures from the St. Lucia Carnival. It's an annual Caribbean tradition where, of course, revelers from around the world parade and dance through the streets in costumes. On July 16, multiple users noticed that Instagram had prompted a community guidelines violation notice when they posted or when users viewed hashtags, some of them Fusion Mass, St. Lucia Carnival, Trinidad Carnival, representing events held in St. Lucia, Trinidad, and Antigua. Recent posts from these hashtags are currently hidden because the community has reported some content may not meet Instagram's community guidelines. Really? Well, the result, of course, confusion and a lot of anger on the part of carnival goers who went to the platform and posted their dissatisfaction and the fact that they were offended by the fact that their posts were hidden or blocked or deemed to be violations. So they took Instagram to task, apparently, prompting this apology from the social media platform. So, yeah, that is that.
So that's it for the hot topics?
I guess so.
Yeah, there you go.